sapat at maasang kuryente para sa buong bansa. May magandang balita ang ating mahal na Pangulong Bongbong Marcos.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. I am pleased to inform everyone that for the first time in over a decade, a significant natural gas discovery has been made. The discovered reservoir, called Malampaya East 1 or MAE-1, is located about 5 kilometers east of the existing Malampaya field. The MAE-1 is estimated to contain around 98 billion cubic feet of gas in place. Katumbas nito ang halos 14 na bilyong kilowatt-hour ng kuryente sa isang taon. Ibig sabihin, makakapag-supply ito ng kuryente sa mahigit 5.7 milyon na milyong kabahayan, 9,500 na gusali o halos 200,000 paaralan sa loob ng isang taon.
Wow naman! PBBM good news talaga! Sa pagkakatuklas ng natural gas sa Malampaya East 1, isa itong napalaking hakbang para palakasin ang energy security ng ating bansang Pilipinas.
This helps Malampaya's contribution and strengthens our domestic gas supply for many years to come. Initial testing showed that the well flowed at 60 million cubic feet per day. This indicates that the well has the potential to produce even more, confirming it is a high productivity resource comparable to the original Malampaya wells.
Tama! Ang ibig sabihin nito, mas may kakayahan na ang ating bansa na pangalagaan ang sariling supply na enerhiya at mabawasan ang importation ng langis mula sa ibang bansa at tiyakin na stable, mas mura at tuloy-tuloy yung supply ng kuryente para sa mga Pilipino.
Aside from the natural gas, the discovery also includes condensate, which is a high-value liquid fuel. This additional resource can help support the government's efforts for the stabilization of our power supply. Ipinagmamalaki rin natin na Pilipino ang nanguna sa drilling na ito. Higit sa lahat, natapos nila ito na walang aksidente o environmental incident.
Sa bagong Pilipinas, may matatag na enerhiya at maliwalas na kinabukasan dahil may sapat at maasang kuryente para sa lahat ng Pilipino.
MAE-1 is the first milestone under the Malampaya Phase 4 drilling campaign, which also includes the Camago 2 and the Bagong Pag-asa wells. The next steps are the completion and testing of the Camago 3, followed by the drilling of the Pag-asa exploration well to pursue more potential gas resources. This achievement was made possible through the work of the SC38 Consortium led by Prime Energy in partnership with UC38, PNOC Exploration Corporation, and Prime Oil and Gas Incorporated. Patunay ito na sa responsableng pangangalaga sa kaligsasan at matibay na pagtutulungan ng gobyerno at pribadong sektor.
Ito si Agent 13 Vlog, ang vlogger ng Bagong Pilipinas, nag-uulat para sa Radyo Pilipinas.